Far. Far.
Hope it's not lit. Yeah, that's probably fine.
Put on my mask when I first did that.
So you hope it's not what?
Wait, what?
Hopefully. I don't think it's cracked. It doesn't feel cracked.
I'm glad they go with the goggles. I think glass alone is pretty good. Well, only if you can't see very well on glass.
Yeah.
Only glass and stuff.
I like the goggles, they're warm. Do you think Gold Nugget might have like less stuff to run into?
Yeah.
Yeah, we've got more stuff to run into, but it's cleaner in the middle.
Okay, cool. Because this would have like the moguls and the wood. There's,
Yeah.
Wood and shit everywhere.
There'd be wood everywhere. I don't think you're gonna escape that. This is the reality of early season.
Okay.
Yeah.
But maybe the wood will be in better spots. Because the wood was really what's in there.
Well, the wood won't be there because all these fields you see will be covered up by the snow eventually.
But today.
Yeah.
It's the reality of early season.
No, yes. But there are roads where it's easier to manage.
Yeah.
than it was on Alpine.
We have no idea.
Alright.
Yeah. We haven't been today.
I guess I'll make it known.
I mean, we're some good walk around too.
Yeah.
I've done it before.
I mean, after Alpine, I feel good about my side slipping.
That's good.
Like just side slip down.
Fog makes everything harder though, I suppose.
It does. It also makes it harder for people to see you.
Yep.
So you get people who decide to. They decide it's okay to ski 6 inches to your right.
Oh yeah.
You get to cut, when you're getting cut by like 4 inches on the yellow one.
Yeah, when I was skiing in the lift, I was going like super slow, and someone just whizzed past me, like almost touched my ski.
Board or spear?
What?
Border or spear?
Skier.
A little safer.
But yeah,
My
like,
thing about spear and border is a border has a lot less control to find two near passes. Spear has a lot more control. They two passes on lower on the spear. They have perfect control. Snowboarder can wipe out those angles trying to avoid something.
right.
I have opinions about these things.
Snowboarders are more likely to be idiot high schoolers than
Yeah.
skiers are.
I think it's less that and more just the entire population of snowboarders.
Yeah.
The high schoolers here, they're the worst. They're worse than any high schoolers in my high school.
I don't know the high school, they're college students.
They're college students?
They're definitely
No,
college.
they're talking about like algebra 2 and shit. I hear them.
I mean,
Yeah,
there's
that's a snowboarder for you. College.
I know one group was 17-year-olds. 17-year-olds is pretty for who I have the right to be complaining about. This place looks, I like it.
the pie.
There's less people now.
Yeah.
That's nice. So Gold Nugget, which way is it? We're gonna go back. Down there. Yeah.
Not right now.
How far left?
I don't know. We'll sign it. Hopefully. There might be signage. If we're lucky, they're signage.
Sounds good.
The one thing that's careful is that if you're not silver nugget.
Not so
Yeah,
far.
silver nuggets and black. Yeah.
Yeah, let's not go silver nugget.
Far.
We might do silver nuggets, but not you.
I trust you. How about let's definitely let's definitely knock it on silver nugget. Let's make it a clear.
Hey, you made it down.
I think one of us crashed the other. I couldn't tell who. Okay. It's so beautiful!
It's really
Yeah. Let's go.
wow. Oh, I'm really close to you.
I need to get a picture of this.
Yeah, let me